Popular soil tests for construction. Conclusion. Image showing pictures of soil tests in construction. Image has the following heading text: Soil tests in construction. Soil testing refers to analyzing the soil's physical, mechanical, and chemical properties before commencing the construction work. Soil tests in construction is essential to ensure the quality of your building structures. It gives a brief idea about the bearing capacity of the soil. There are various soil testing procedures carried out to determine the different parameters of soil. Some of the soil testing methods in construction are listed below. Why soil tests for construction is important? Soil testing holds great significance in the construction industry, making it essential for every contractor to possess knowledge about this crucial process. Understanding the properties and characteristics of soil at a construction site is vital to ensure the structural integrity, stability, and safety of any building or infrastructure project. First and foremost, contractors benefit from identifying the soil type present on the site. Different soil types, such as clay, silt, sand, or their combinations, exhibit varying load-bearing capacities and behaviors when subjected to external forces. Knowing the soil type empowers contractors to make informed decisions regarding design and foundation requirements, ensuring the structure can withstand anticipated loads and environmental conditions. Additionally, soil testing provides valuable insights into soil compaction and moisture content. Adequate compaction is vital in preventing settling, differential settlement, or soil instability that can lead to structural damage and safety hazards. By conducting soil tests, contractors can determine the optimum level of compaction and moisture required for a stable foundation, enabling them to adapt their construction methods accordingly. Furthermore, soil testing allows contractors to identify potential issues such as expansive soils, high water tables, or soil contamination. Expansive soils can cause significant foundation movement due to moisture fluctuations, resulting in cracks and structural damage. High water tables can impede proper drainage and compromise structural stability. Soil contamination poses environmental risks and can impact the long-term durability of the construction. By conducting soil tests, contractors can mitigate these risks through appropriate measures and modifications to the design and construction process. Moreover, understanding the bearing capacity of the soil is critical in determining the size and depth of foundations. Soil tests provide valuable data on the load-bearing capacity, enabling contractors to design foundations that effectively distribute the weight of the structure. This ensures the foundation can support the intended loads and prevent settlement or structural failure.